It's time to take 5. Now you know.
If you or a loved one are injured and need a lawyer, Jack Hill of the law firm of Searcy Denny is here to help you. Jack, after someone has been in an accident or experienced injury due to the carelessness of another, is there a particular type of lawyer they should be looking for?
There is, and thanks for having me, Candy. The practice of law over the years has grown to be more and more specialized, and so you'll need to find a lawyer who handles that kind of case, who handles plaintiff's personal injury cases. And if your case is a more complicated type of injury case, like a medical malpractice or a defective product case, you'll want to find a lawyer who specializes in those particular kinds of personal injury cases, because they oftentimes require greater resources, greater knowledge, and greater time considerations than normal.
Are all personal injury lawyers the same?
No, all personal injury lawyers are not the same. They have different backgrounds, training, education, experiences in the courtroom, actually trying cases. Different firms have different resources financially available to them to prosecute cases on behalf of their clients.
What questions should I be asking the lawyer that I'm considering hiring?
That's a very important decision, and typically folks are coming to us at some of the lowest point in their life, and they need someone to guide them through the process. And so you'll need to ask a number of questions to make sure that that lawyer in that law firm are a good fit for you. You'll want to know about their background, where they went to law school, what kinds of cases do they handle, do they actually try cases, what kinds of cases have they tried. When you call and need an update on your case, are you going to be talking to a lawyer, or are you going to be talking to a support staff? How many other clients does that lawyer represent? Are you going to be one of dozens, or are you going to be one of many, many more? Who is it that's going to have responsibility for this case, my case, on a day-to-day basis? Is it going to be a paralegal supervised by a lawyer, or is it going to be the lawyer themselves? All of these things you need to find out from a potential personal injury lawyer to make sure it's a good fit for you.
Why does a personal injury attorney's trial experience matter?
A personal injury lawyer's trial experience is critically important for 2 reasons. One, a number of cases don't settle, and they need to be resolved by way of a jury trial. And so you'll want your lawyer to have the experience and the expertise and the financial resources to take your case all the way to a jury if that's what's necessary. You'll need to have someone who has that kind of background, because for sure the lawyer hired by the defense or the insurance company is going to have that level of experience. Secondly, even if your case doesn't go to trial, you'll need a lawyer who has a reputation, in a law firm that has a reputation for actually trying cases when they need to be tried. Insurance companies know the lawyers and the law firms that try cases versus those that don't, and it is reflective in the value that they assign to those cases. When you hire a personal injury lawyer, you're doing so on a contingency fee basis, meaning if there's no recovery, you don't owe the lawyer anything for their time or the expenses that they pay out on your behalf in prosecuting the case.
What is board certified, and should my personal injury lawyer be board certified?
Board certification is the highest evaluation the Florida Bar has for lawyers in a particular specialty. It requires a rigorous evaluation process, a demonstration of trial skills, the number of years that you've been in practice and the number of cases that you've actually tried, as well as a written examination. And only 6 or 7% of all Florida lawyers are board certified. And while certainly there are excellent lawyers who are not board certified, if a personal injury lawyer is board certified, it's a testament to their background and their ability and knowledge when it comes to trying cases.
Thank you, Jack. This has certainly been eye-opening.
Thank you for having me.
If you have any further questions about what you need to know before hiring a personal injury lawyer, just visit searcylaw.com.